Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about what exactly is a home warranty. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real, R-E-A-L, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about home warranty. Now, home warranty is basically a one-year agreement, right, that says any major household appliance thing is going to be guaranteed service if something goes wrong during that year. So what does this mean? Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Well, it sounds good, right? It's because it is. Homes with warranties actually sell for a little bit more because buyers tend to like homes that have some type of insurance. Like, I buy it today, 6 months down the line, the stove or the fridge or something stops working, there's a warranty on it. I don't have to come out of pocket like I just did to buy this house to now go repair it. So when you're talking about warranties, does this mean you have to go out searching for a technician to do it who's going to work for you? I mean, if you so choose to, right? Some warranties may allow for that, but most warranties, all you got to do is call the number on the sticker, that little warranty, and they send a technician right out. Once you pay the deductible, of course, kind of like insurance. Because it is. It's just a form of insurance, right? That oftentimes can come with the property when you buy it, so that's super great. It's like buying a new car and having someone else pay for the insurance on it. However, it is not really insurance. And what you should do is check out the video that's coming out tomorrow that's going to be on home insurance versus home warranties. It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.